Hi, I'm Mike Kramer, President of Stolt Tank Containers. 2019 will be an exciting year for STC as we continue to build out our depot network. We recently opened 2 depots in Saudi Arabia and are working on a new depot in Glasgow, Scotland for our food grade trade. We are also launching StoltTankContainers.com and updating our digital platform for the benefits of our customers around the world.
My name is Dan Shelton. I am the depot manager at Stolt Container Terminal in Houston, Texas. So we've increased our storage capacity by 40%. We put down 12 acres of concrete to fully utilize our property. Unlike other depots with more basic conditions, concrete offers a more even surface for the moving and storage of a tank container. We designed and built a fully automated heating station. This increases safety levels further as our technicians can focus on managing the overall process. We truly wanted to be a one-stop shop for our customers, where our team of dedicated, highly trained staff can heat products, clean and repair tanks, all in one convenient location. The most important of all the improvements we've made are centered around safety, like new fall protection, lone worker devices, a facility-wide siren in the event of emergency. Every investment we've made increases our safety and our efficiency significantly.
To summarize, the Houston depot offers expanded capacity, expert service, and sets the standards for depots around the world.